I did half a Zan, 13 hours till I land. Had me out like a light, ayy, like a light, ayy, like a light, ayy. Slept through the flight, ayy, not for the night, ayy. 760.
This is my new car. It has that much miles, 190k miles, well, 105, but be exact. I bought it from a guy named Manny. He's a cool guy. The reason why he's a cool guy, he drives a 1,200 horsepower Mitsubishi Evolution. Yeah, that's fucking cool. My first mod that I did was a Broadway mirror. You have to have a visibility. If you don't have no visibility, you're gonna end up crashing, or, you know, you shouldn't be egotistic saying like, oh, I could see my eyes, like blah blah blah, I could see. It's just being lazy. No, get yourself a Broadway mirror. You don't want to be in a situation where you're like, oh fuck, I'm in a heavy traffic, and you don't want to be turning your head because, like, I don't know, you just came from the gym, your head is sore. Or you woke up really sore from your neck because your bed sucks. Well, yeah. Second mod I did is a Fora sticker center. It's pretty cool. This shift knob sucks ass in the summer. I got this car in the summer, like literally like 2 days ago, and dude, this shifter burns, but it's pretty cool. This car has a new clutch, a new flywheel, power steering, has an oil change, but I still have to do a tune-up, like, you know, spark plugs, change all that stuff, spark plugs, wire. I gotta do an oil change again. There's another thing, but I forgot. I got this car for, well, he was selling it for $3,000. My girlfriend's dad, well, I didn't, like I told you a while back, he owns a company. Well, he's an entrepreneur, and he knows about cars. He's like not a huge car guru. His brother is. He's a mechanic, diesel mechanic, and he helped me so much. Manny, he helped me again too for negotiation. I got this car for $2,500. By the way, this was my dream car when I was a senior in high school, or going to be a senior, to 2013, around there. This was my dream car. I got this car for $2,500. The rear bumper is missing. The reason why, well, he was driving to work, Manny, or something, and the bumper flew off, which sucks, because the plates went missing with it too. I am gonna get some new license plates, probably legendary ones, you know, the cool ones where you could customize them. I'll probably just put Flacco with 2 O's. But yeah, I would show you guys how it runs, but I don't have no insurance, no restrictions, so yeah, it's pretty illegal to drive in the streets, and I don't want to be an idiot and losing this car. There's a little pull. By the way, I got many car parts too. Got myself a G-Ready exhaust system, a front lip, rear bumper, of course, and some mesh. You know, some mesh. And there was another thing. Oh yeah, some fucking headlights. The Halo ones, the LED ones. They're so nice. They're really nice. I want to say thank you for my father-in-law. He helped me so much for negotiation. And Manny, of course, he sold it for me, and he was open for negotiation. I really, really love it. Haven't had any problems because, well, yes, I'm gonna be honest, I drove it a couple of times, and I drove it recklessly, like I did a full watt run up to 7K, and it sounds fucking gorgeous. And by the way, I haven't even put the G-Ready exhaust. This was the stock, not stock. This one was the one that came with the car. It's straight pipe, but with the G-Red exhaust straight pipe, it's gonna sound much better. It's gonna crackle. I hate ricers, by the way. I hate ricers that sound like crap. But this one is gonna sound clean because it's a K series. Manny changed the air intake. He changed a lot of things to it. He put headers. Yes, headers. You know those people that put a just racing muffler and they sound like a retard going like 40, 25. And they sound like they're hitting like freaking like 120. Yeah. This car doesn't sound like that. When you're hitting 25 in third gear, it sounds clean. Doesn't sound like you're racing. When you drop it to second gear, that's when it starts opening up. It wants to like breathe in more. And you drop it to first gear, yeah, that's when it starts making loud noises, like race car noises. Here, I'm gonna do a cool start for you guys.